What's up, guys? Right now we're meeting with Owen. What up? What's up? All right, off we go. I don't know where we're going. We're just gonna swing up and around, I think, though. I guess Brazil is celebrating for the World Cup. I don't even know. Do they play today or something? Who the hell knows? Woo-hoo-hoo. Love the single cylinders in unison. Oh yeah, we're gonna want to turn right up here. Alright guys, so we're gonna head over here, see if this one road is open. Usually it's closed on the weekends for bicycles, but we'll see if it's open. Otherwise we will go up to like the park area where I was practicing in our last video. Off the rev limiter. My pants are falling down on these wheelies today. It's because these pants have like a broken belt loop. So I'm literally like mooning everyone every time I do a wheelie. Woo! Need a little more gas up top. Donut spot. What up? Yeah. Then I want to put my GoPro on you to see if I can get like a third-person shot of me doing a wheelie. Yeah. Okay, finally our units are connected. Oh, dude, did I tell you? My fucking catalytic converter got stolen off my truck. Yep, completely stolen. Now it sounds like a helicopter when I drive it. Yeah, it does suck. Yeah, dude, I was just parked on my street. Now we got the little mic in your face.
I'll just keep it on you, alright?
Yeah, keep it on me, baby. Let's redo that.
Let's get to the end.
So we can go up again one more time and then we'll go to
You animal. Nice, recenter it. Oh, you had that. You recentered it really well. That was fantastic, man. And we got the statue at the end.
awesome. And great commentary from Kazoo.
Oh, very nice.
Want to see something cooler, dude? Ready? Watch this. That guy is in fact cooler than us. Yeah, pretty much. Wheelie the tunnel! Ba-ba-ba. Wave to the train! Honk the horn! Aww. Alright, Owen's doing some weird theatrics on his bike, but... Alright. We're almost to the new spot. Oh yeah, we got the nice fall scenery. I haven't ridden up here in a while, actually, so we'll see what's going on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Not trying to low side on some wet leaves, you know what I'm saying? Okay, okay. There you go. You still got to come back more. Danger. Oh, a little curb riding. Yeah, one of the belt loops broke, so it doesn't hook all the way through in the back. Oh, very fun. Very cool. Everything the light touches belongs to us. Yeah, I mean, this is a bit steep and the grass is a little wet. Grass is pretty wet. I mean, might as well try. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to go up this. I don't know if that would be the case. Oh, I almost slipped right there.
Alright. It's recording a little bit actually right now. It's recording. Oh, you're gonna be so gooch.
So gooch. I don't know.
I should move my bike.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll go around it. Ready?
Wow, dude. I came in my pants a little.
Nothing, dude. That was easy. Woo! Easy, dude. Bottomed out the suspension, hitting it, but.
My pouch was open, my lock came out. The shit came out onto my dick like while I was doing it.
Look good, dude. Whee! You could probably jump that a little bit. Hold up. I kind of want to try and get some air on it. Woo! Oh, yeah. Road closed. Anyone home? No? Left. Send. Okay, and onto the highway we go. Owen, you're not really a big fan of the highway, right? Owen's not a fan of the highway. I mean, honestly, neither am I, but it's pretty easy cruising, dude. How you feeling? How we doing? How we living? See, this is an example of someone that does that. Yeah. All right, finally off the highway. How you liking your little mirrors? It's all right. I wanted to save some fuel anyways. Good, I don't even have to. Oh no! Outro this video. Say goodbye. All right, Owen's going home. All right, later, skater. We'll see how long it takes to disconnect. Well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, more to come. I will catch you next time. Peace.